the real skill. The real skill is the design skill. Looking at an experience and saying, can I design it really well? And most importantly, it's the communication skill. क्या बनाना है उसको बताना कैसे है?
Let's call someone who is very curious and passionate about the ideas, and passionate about the design and creating the real world products. Yes, she is here with us. She is here with us to let your hands dirty with the live AI masterclass. From chatting to prompting to results. Please welcome our next speaker, Rakshita Gupta, the co-founder of Mastery.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. आवाज आ रही है? Hello, hello, mic testing. Yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Perfect. So, how was the chai party, everyone? Had fun? I saw everyone was like, हमें बातें करने के लिए और time दे दो. So we will give you more time towards the end. But this session is going to be super fun, and it's designed that way that you'll enjoy a lot. So, are you all ready? Yes. Okay, awesome. Wow, yeah, lovely energy. Usually I don't find people with my level of energy, but you guys are here. So great, मजा आएगा. Energy to energy. ठीक है. Perfect. ठीक है. हाँ, तो सबसे पहले first thing I want to know, where are you all joining from? I wrote city because Noida is a different city, Gurgaon is a different city, Delhi is a different city. I know, I don't want to offend any Delhi people or Gurgaon people by saying कि भाई Ghaziabad, Gurgaon is same. By the way, I am from both the places, Ghaziabad first, then Gurgaon. ठीक है? So yeah, tell me, where are you all from? Like कितनी दूर से आए हो? Delhi वाले यार कैसे बोल सकते हो एरो सिटी? Ghaziabad. Oh hi, hello. Okay, where else? Noida. Wow, यार Noida वाले जहाँ भी रहते हैं बहुत शोर मचाते हैं. This is the thing about people from Noida. Okay, where else? Gurgaon. Wait, Gurgaon is a comfort zone. Okay, coming to Aero City is a comfort zone. It's literally saying, okay, I'll just go. Yes. Ludhiana. Wow. I was trying to figure out who is the person जिसने सबसे ज़्यादा पैसे लगाए to come to this event, has traveled the longest. Now I have found it. Anyone came from farther than Ludhiana? कोई आया Bangalore से all the way? Okay, that would be crazy because the flights are damn expensive. I just tried booking one last night. So, yeah, okay, got it. Okay, what are your professional backgrounds? So, I understand it's a super good mix. So, tell me, developers, engineers, how many in the room? Any developers, engineers? Okay, wow, lot of them. Nice. Anybody else apart from developer, I would like to know. Yes. Research background, nice. My favorite kind of people are research people. Yes. Chartered accountant, nice. आपकी विकास से बनेगी. Yes. Oh my God, lovely. कोई ethical hacker तो नहीं बैठे यहाँ पे ऐसे पता लगेगा. I am sharing and my screen is gone. Yes, blockchain, cyber security. I'm very scared of ethical hacking, cyber security. These people, scary people, man. इनसे दूर रहना चाहिए. Okay. Yeah. I can see it's a facade. अच्छे चेहरे and then ऐसे deep thinking brains. हाँ जी. Yes. Talent acquisition, सब लोग जो job ढूंढ रहे हैं, she is the one sitting here. Very important person. There is one other one, Shikha, standing right back at the end. ठीक है, very important people to reach out to. ठीक है. Yes. मैं बोलूँगी, if you want to network, करो, find people, find friends. But HR वालों को तो बिल्कुल मत छोड़ यार. मतलब that's the main place you should network. ठीक है. Any other backgrounds that? Yes. Compliance. Consulting. What are you consulting? Nice. I thought she's saying I consult anything and I charge for it. It's just about talking, Yeah. IT program management. Oh, nice. So you're a teacher, if I got it right. No? Okay. She's like, no, who teaches? And I'm here on the stage. Wow, thank you. Oh, nice. Chalo, nice. Good cover up. Yes.
Delivery manager.
Delivery manager. So what exactly is it that you do?
Kind of project management
ओके, आई थॉट ब्लिंकिट वगैरह से कुछ कनेक्शन है, ज़ेप्टो और ब्लिंकिट से, डिलीवरी के नाम से अब हमें यही समझ आता है। ओके ठीक है, परफेक्ट। तो अच्छा, इस पार्ट को स्किप करते हैं बिकॉज आई हैव नेवर हैव एवर एक्टिविटी। ओके, एवरीबडी बी रेडी विद योर हैंड्स, ठीक है? आई वांट टू सी हैंड्स इफ यू हैव डन दिस। सो वी विल गो वन बाय वन। Okay, yes. First question, have you used Chat GPT or something similar to just figure out? Wow, amazing. Chalo, one thing I can say, you are living with the era. That's good news. Okay, second, have you tried AI tool for work, like without your team knowing, but you have secretly used it ki kaam to jaldi hoga, I'll sleep soon. Okay. Very interesting people in the room. ठीक है, you've got a very weird output. You said यार ये बोला था और ये क्या output आ गया? I mean, what the hell is this? Happens. Okay, so today's class is all about that, and the last is you are reading all these news, these terminologies. This has come out. Anthropic has done a whole calendar of things, launches, and you're like, यार ये क्या बोल रहे हैं? मतलब this is too technical. I like the honest people in the room because most of you are feeling that overwhelmed, but not all of you are raising the hand. Yeah, I'll ask it one more time. How many people have read the news, LinkedIn, Instagram, all these articles, blogs? Oh my God, so much is happening and I don't know what's happening. Yes, now I see. Okay, got it. थोड़ी probing करनी पड़ती है ना, research person, है ना? Okay, perfect. So that brings us to this session. But before that, first let me tell you who am I talking to you here. So I'm Rakshita and I started as a UX designer. So hello, fellow designers in the room. So I started as a UX designer at Accenture, and from there I've been building products for Fortune 500 companies, which is a big pain because obviously you have to listen to the client, to what the users say, and then make it from there. It's not all that fun. उसके बाद I co-founded a design agency and we built a lot of products from end to end, right? And after that, I've also co-founded, right now I'm a co-founder at Mastery, where I have a love for teaching, like the girl behind, right, who said I love mentoring. So yeah, I do that too. And so we built this company Mastery, and abhi we have trained about 17,000 plus designers in that space because there are a lot of gaps in education, right? या इस बात पे सब अग्री करेंगे, लेकिन टेक्निकल नॉलेज ओवरवेलम हो रही है, इस बात पे लोग ऐसे हाथ करके बैठे हुए। ओके ठीक है, सो या आई ऑल्सो टीच एट डिजाइन स्कूल्स एट यूनिवर्सिटीज एज गेस्ट लेक्चरर, एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आई हैव ऑल्सो वर्कड विद पीपल फ्रॉम गूगल, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, क्रेड, EY, LinkedIn and more. And yeah, I have also presented at IIT Bombay conferences and more. This is just to give you a sense of who am I. ठीक है, अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. So one interesting thing about me that you especially developers would like to know कि भाई मैंने लाइफ में कभी कोड नहीं लिखा है, never. Okay, I've never written code in my life and I don't have an engineering degree. I have never understood anything technical that people say, and yet I was about to build some products in the last 1 month, and I want to share that experience with you people today on how to start unlocking that for all of you. Okay, so perfect. Moving on, so this is a few projects that I've done in the last 1 month and these are all live. ठीक है, one is Blinkit Dark Store Quick Commerce Dashboard. बाकी आप जॉय बता सकते हैं अच्छा है कि नहीं. ठीक है, let me try zooming in. So this is just a quick glimpse of it. So this is all live. ठीक है, बहुत सारी रिसर्च की है फॉर द रिसर्च पीपल क्वेश्चनिंग की ऐसी बना दिया है, ऐसे नहीं करते. ठीक है, और इसके अंदर यू ऑब्वियसली लॉग इन, यू सी द होल स्टेटस ऑफ व्हाट्स हैपनिंग इन योर स्टोर, यू इवन लॉग इन टू योर शिफ्ट, यू लॉग आउट ऑफ योर शिफ्ट, एंड दिस ऑल वर्क्स. बैकग्राउंड में डेटा भी कलेक्ट करता है एंड इट रिफ्लेक्ट्स ऑन द पिकर्स डैशबोर्ड ऑल्सो. सो दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई क्रिएटेड. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, because I'm also exploring product management opportunities, I created a PM Pathfinder, which was all about how do you get to know if you're ready to apply for a job. This happens with a lot of you, I'm sure, right? That you feel like, okay, I need to upskill, I need to apply somewhere else, since we're talking about HRs in the room, right? Hota hai na? I'm not sure if I'm ready for the interview. So this is what I created. Isme there is a step-by-step question, and at the end you get to know your strengths and your weaknesses based on the answers you gave. So that, and then another thing I recently made was a B2B CRM for small founders, okay, for very, very small startup founders. This in itself completed their entire sales pipeline उसके ऊपर. ठीक है, सेल्स पाइपलाइन के बेसिस पे दे गेट नोटिफिकेशंस इन रियल टाइम, ऑल ऑफ दैट. Now moving on to another project that I recently did. This is traveling with friends, because obviously दोस्त लोग कभी बोलते हैं yes I'm in and then they all back out. होता है ना? How many of you have felt that pain? So I was like, okay, let's figure out that pain and make, right? So here you make a trip, you add a lot of details, and you basically share it with your friends. And by the way, यहाँ से you can also divide the responsibilities of tasks that you have given, accommodation tasks to someone, booking flights to someone, and then you split at the end. So I'm just showing a glimpse of it because we don't have that much time, but these are few projects that I've made in the last 1 month, okay? And I'm not a coder, and these are all live, okay? Just to let you know, okay? So now I want to shed some light on how has building products exactly changed, right? अभी last 2 years से developers are feeling all like कि यार क्या हो रहा है कि नहीं? Yes, I see a lot of people nodding their heads. Yes. So how has it exactly changed? Let me literally dumb it down. One is simple. Earlier you used to have an idea, ठीक है? Then you spend 2-3 years figuring out code क्या है, React क्या है, ये क्या है, ये क्या है. You learn the languages. You do it yourself, and then you realize कि this is not working out. Second way of failing was, okay, I have a great idea. Let me find developers. I'll pay them money, and then I'll realize it's not working out. Third is I have an idea and it never goes out. I shelf it. This is how things were, right? 2 years back. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Yes. Okay. So now how has it changed? मैंने hint डाला है screen पे, but does anyone want to take a stab? How have building things changed? How have building products changed with AI? यार इतनी cheating करा रही हूँ मैं, मतलब this is like open book test यार. Yes. 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 Anybody else? Yes.
Let AI test your ideas or find where it has been, such a thing has been modeled elsewhere with success rate and such things. With prompting, maybe you can get some
Okay.
idea whether it would work and how much of it is actually.
Yes, I was actually scared जब तक वो वाला part नहीं बोला, will it work? मैंने कहा, oh बना के छोड़ रहे हैं, will it work or not? But yes. Anybody else? Someone? Yes.
I think earlier we used to have the ideas, but right now, even if we have questions, we can ask AI to produce those ideas and get the product. So we don't actually need any ideas.
Really, we just need a problem statement and a question to ask.
तो idea और problem statement same नहीं होते?
मुझे प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, मुझे नहीं पता कैसे सॉल्व करनी है. Earlier we used to figure that all out, like how to
So
solve.
you're saying अब हम figure out करना छोड़ चुके हैं, हम सीधा
Exactly.
building पे घुस गए.
Everyone builds it.
Yeah, that is a loophole. Yes.
But
yes.
it's going on.
Yes.
So earlier we were just having an idea and we don't know whether it really work or not. And what right now we are having with AI is it's helping you modify that. If I'm planning to build an application, so it gives a better version what I was thinking before AI. So it enhances your product. So just then giving you and basic understanding. So it really enhances with whatever we were doing before with the help of AI.
Okay, so you're basically saying I make a very average product, AI makes it super amazing and awesome, and thank you AI. I love you. Is that what you're saying? Because that is what I heard. Yes. One last. ठीक है.
So there were a lot of dependencies earlier. I think a lot of steps, be it finding the coder, wait for bringing ideas to reality. And now I think it's a lot about the vision and more about the high agency.
Got it. Perfect. Yes, exactly. So pretty much you all can sense that there is a change. I'm so glad और भी हाथ है, but with respect to time, we will just pause here and move ahead. I'll give you more chances to talk on the mic. Okay. So yeah, the whole thing is, abhi you have an idea. Abhi you don't have those 3 routes. Of course you have if you have not updated. But the thing is that now you can quickly make things, ship them out and see if it's working or not. Through user testing, through multiple things that you can do to understand it's working. If it's not working, just sack it. rather than thinking कि work करेगा, उस पर 2 साल लगाए, and then probably you realize, oh, it was a bad idea, it didn't work because of these flaws, and then you retry, 2 years gone again, 2 years gone again, and before you know it, you're old, and now you're like, okay, just let me just live and let me just wait for Bhagwan ji to solve all my problems, right? So that has changed a lot. So you can ship faster and you can get, feedback faster. Now, one thing that's for sure is the people who are winning are not the best coders. Sorry developers, so many of them in the room. But now things have changed, right? अब आप ये नहीं बोल सकते मैं बहुत अच्छा कोड लिखता हूँ या लिखती हूँ इसलिए I am amazing. No, because there are people who can do it without that. Like, not pointing fingers, but there are people who can do that as well, right? So now what is the real skill? The real skill is the design skill. Looking at an experience and saying, can I design it really well? It's the product skill, knowing what to create, how to solve the problem, and most importantly, it's the communication skill. क्या बनाना है उसको बताना कैसे है, saying that, communicating that, that's the biggest skill. And given all your professional backgrounds, whether it is data science, whether it is designing, whether it is research, whether it was talent acquisition, all these fields have one thing in common, that's communication. Yes? So that is exactly what you have to do with AI. You don't need to know the syntax and all these complex things. You need to know batana kaise hai, kya banana hai. Very clear instructions. Yes, that is very important, and that's why today we are going to be focusing on that fundamental. Everything else comes later. Right? Okay, so I want to now start with a fun game. Okay, this is a guessing game. Now you have to guess and tell me what's happening in this image. What is happening in this image? Like what is he going through? I am dash. What's the emotion? Tired? I am Virat Kohli नहीं है, वो तो obvious है यार, मतलब yeah. I am winner. Okay. I am the king. Okay. Very scary king though, but yes. Okay. Yes. What? I am achiever. Okay, that's the emotion he's going for. But what is he feeling here in the image? That is he feeling angry? What is the emotion? Excited, angry, frustrated. Okay. Anybody else? पीछे? Cheated. Wow. Very creative. Wow. What else? Sense of achievement. Okay, great. So, sorry? Oh yeah, I am still the captain. Yes. So a lot of things. You realize you all are looking at one same image. Everyone is saying different things, from cheated to I am the captain to I am the king to I won to I am feeling excited to Pakistan ko hara denge. Yes? Right? Okay, another one. In this, what is happening according to you? Who is this person? What is he or she feeling? What's happening? Okay, traveler. Playing with sunshine, someone said. Yeah, any guesses? Nature lover. Okay, hashtag nature lover. Yes, what else? Huh? Hiking. Hi. She's high. यहाँ पे नहीं बोलना है ये सब. Sorry, not allowed. Sorry, NSFW alert. Not allowed. I didn't hear what you said. What? Okay, that is an interesting one. Yes. So same picture paglu. Wow. And Gen Z इस room में यार पता लग रहा है. Okay. Got it. I make my peace with sun. Peace. What is peace? अच्छा, okay. I'm at peace में हूँ. ठीक है. Okay. Did anyone think there was a butterfly on her hand and that flew away and she was looking at that and it just went out of the frame? ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है. Maybe there is some sort of a dust on her hand and she's just blowing it and sun happens to be there. Right? So there are so many things that can happen from this image, right? Many interpretations, right? Okay. Now the most difficult one. You have to guess what this puzzle is about. Okay, sky. Aeroplane? Where can you see aeroplane? Okay, ठीक है, I'm guessing this is an aeroplane. Guess what this puzzle is about. Dream, okay. क्या? Flying, okay. Fitting somewhere. Sky is the limit. Nice. Very motivational. Huh? Problem solver कैसे है ये puzzle exactly? I want to know. Oh, okay. Okay. Yes, I was going to say मेरे को तो giraffe दिख रहा है. I can see a giraffe with a body. I can see a neck, yellow color neck. No, yeah, different interpretations, right? But it's funny ना. You all must be thinking कुछ context तो दिया नहीं है, randomly guess करने को बोल दिया है. Pizza slice? You're really hungry, man. You should wait for lunch, right? Okay, ठीक है. Okay. So you all must be thinking we don't have enough context, and she's asking us to guess. Yes. Yes, so बोल सकते हो. मैं नहीं बोलूँगी कुछ. Thank you. Okay, that is what you do with AI every day, by the way. You just say, write me an email, and it's like, what the hell am I supposed to write? Is it to a friend? Is it to a boss? What the hell are you talking about? This is what you're doing every single day, and we will change that today in the room, okay? So, how does AI exactly work? And again, no techie language so that everyone in the room understands, including me, okay? So, simple as that, it predicts what's your most likely next word. अब वो कैसे करेगा predict? Like, how will it predict it is a giraffe or is it someone else said pizza, right? It's completely two different things. But if I'm talking about animals and then the puzzle comes up, likely to guess giraffe, right? If I'm talking about food and then this puzzle comes up, likely to guess pizza, right? If I'm talking about motivational quotes, like someone said, sky is the limit. Yes? Suddenly it all makes sense, no? ये तीन आंसर है, but ये अब सेंस बना रहे हैं. Yes? So that is exactly what it is, right? AI is like a massive decision tree. Think of a tree. You gave a prompt, and now there are all these branches, and then each branch is further into sub branches, and then they are into further branches. How do you know which branch to go, which sub branch to go, and which further sub branch to go? That comes from context. The more context I'll give, the more it knows, yeah, okay, out of these 5, I have to take this one, and then this one, and then this one. And then it starts giving you relevant answers, right? So that is what is happening behind the scene. Okay, let's look at 2 examples. Okay, this is what I explained, right? The vague your prompt is, there are more possible paths. More it can assume, and by the way, more it can hallucinate. The famous word around AI, hallucinate karta hai. It's not the AI that's hallucinating, it's you people telling generate bullshit prompt because the AI doesn't know jana kis direction mein, so it's randomly assuming. It can be a pizza, it can be a giraffe, it can be sky's the limit because you did not give context, right? So specific you make it, the better your outcome will be, right? Okay, let's look at these 2 examples, right? So you say, write me a professional email. What are the chances the answer will come? ये तो मेरा आंसर चोरी कर रहे हो, ऐसे थोड़ी है. Give me what the answer will be, what the output would be. Yes. 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 Yes, बोलो. आपने हाथ रेस किया था फिर नीचे कर दिया. बोलो बोलो. Yeah, exactly. Now look at the email on the right. I need to follow up with a client who owes me this much amount. They are 3 days late. Long-term contact, so I don't want it to sound rude. So I gave more context and I said write a short email under these many words. Which one will give me more accurate email? We all agree, right? Then why do you write this? Why do you write this? Write a message for my friends, birthday wish, done. What context is it, man? Right? So that is the difference, and we will change that today. So the most common mistakes I see people making everywhere, and it feels like I know it, but you still end up making these 5 mistakes because I've spoken to so many people. One is being too vague. Okay, help me with this. Figure out this. Give me 5 things that do this. Very vague. Give it specific things so it can work. No role or context, right? You're not telling it who you are, what you need, what specific skill you need. तुम्हें help किस चीज में चाहिए? What should AI become to help you? Right? Right now I know everything. I'm an expert at everything. If you ask me about research, I might give you advice from a data person because you never told me what I have to become to answer that. Right? Yes, you. Yeah, that's the context. What is applicable? That, so okay, if you open ChatGPT for the very first time, it has no context. You go to a new tool, it has no context. That's what I'm saying. If you're talking about animals all through it, it knows that probably you are in horticulture and you talk about those terminologies, so it will explain you in those terminologies. But if it's a very first blank slate, it doesn't know anything, right? And let's say, okay, you change your role. Now you have become a, let's say, biology professor. ऐसा होता नहीं है कि you change, but let's say you became a bio professor. Now your terminologies will change. So AI will adapt and start giving you answers as per new things, right? It happens now because it's learning from your context. Then next thing is one and done. So this is the most common mistake, these two. People send one message. I've seen my mom also make it, you know. She'll like make a card for my friend's birthday party. Okay, output आएगा, she'll be like, ChatGPT is so useless, close it and go ahead. And it's not just her, I've seen so many people in my colleague circle, in my friend circle who do this. Likha, like ChatGPT is not that great, people keep randomly hyping it, or whatever tool you use, right? And then you say, it's bekar, I just need to like leave it alone. Happens? Yes? You try something and you're like, so that is not something you have to do. Obviously, तुम्हें context दोगे तो वो improve होगा. If you tell your intern, yeah, just do this thing, and they're probably confused, then you have to tell them कि you do it like this. We have done it like this in the past. Do act like this person. That is how it helps. Copy pasting the output. This is the most common and the most silliest mistake that everyone does, including me sometimes. AI ने output दिया, and what do we do? Yeah, I see some people smiling because they're like, oh yeah, I do it. I know the mistake. Yes. Do we do it? We literally go copy paste. There are literally M dashes in people's LinkedIn post because they did not edit it, and everyone in the circle can say ये AI से लिखा है. You all have seen those LinkedIn posts, na? You can see it. Can they not see it? They're uploading it, right? You can tell who AI ने लिखा है. So that is the mistake most people do. And sometimes we also do it. We know it, but we will also sometimes put a random post or send a message with long M dashes. There are more things जो बता देंगे AI ने लिखा है. Why? Because we don't change it. So the trick here is you use AI to help you, but in the end you have to refine यार. थोड़ा तो humanness add होनी चाहिए ना. AI ने तो अपनी तरफ से बताया है, but you have to make the final 10% tweak. That is very important. Very important. And last is treating it like Google. Okay, I'll just like literally Google search on it. Random questions, wait for random answers and go ahead. We are all again guilty of that, right? So yeah. So okay, so now to solve these problems now, over time, I have tried different things in the prompting space. लेकिन fundamentally ना कुछ common factors हैं जो बहुत easy कर देते हैं prompting. Why? Because we are giving context. We are helping them understand. So I've designed a framework. And you will all start getting flashcards because you will also try that framework now. So that framework has a very interesting name. Did someone get a sneak peek to it? So the framework has a very interesting name. It's called Cash Framework. I call it Cash because it's actually something, it gives you, worth it answers. That's why it's called Cash. Okay? So ठीक है. अभी flashcards पे कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं. पेन वेन नहीं निकालना है अभी, ठीक है? अभी पहले I'll tell you what this framework is. इसके बाद we will do a hands-on activity and then wrap up the session, ठीक है? So that flashcards are for that hands-on activity, ठीक है? Perfect. So can someone tell me, instead of me explaining, I want you people to explain this framework to me, even though I have made it, ठीक है? ठीक है? So first is character in Cash. What exactly is character? How can you give character to AI? Yes.
What role you are assigning to it, in the sense that whether you say in the voice of a teacher talking to a 5-year-old, or in the voice of a professor teaching postgraduate students, or as maybe a TEDx speaker addressing an audience. So who is the listener and who they are addressing, so it will curate the content accordingly.
Perfect. Anybody else wants to take a try? Very good examples. Give me examples. Yes.
Like we have to first design, and we have to plan, then we have to code it, and then we have to test it. So what role is
Perfect. Example. Yes, yes. Yeah.
So I'm a product designer, so this is now I give my prompt. Like you are a senior product designer working in tech years in a head tech industry in B2B SaaS, and now this is the task.
Perfect, good, great, yes.
Yeah, so recently I was job hunting. So first of all, I gave AI the prompt that you are a specialist with a resume writer.
Nice.
And I gave it the prompt that you are a recruiter now judge this.
Perfect. Yes, exactly. You people nailed it. So, character is all about giving it a role, saying, and how do you decide a role? You're basically saying, जो मुझे काम करवाना है, the task I need to get done. Who is the best person? Now, if I were to write a landing page copy, who would be the person I will call to say, you act like this person? What would that person be? I need to write a landing page copy, a website's copy, content writer, okay. SEO, okay, interesting. What else? Anybody else wants to try? ठीक है, okay. If I want to write an email to my boss that I am putting down my papers because I want to join REA group, yeah. What would? Yeah, exactly. See, HR वाले खुश हो जाते हैं, छोटी-छोटी बातों से खुश हो जाते हैं. Yes. So, what would you ask the person to become? Assume क्या करने को बोलोगे? Generic write an email. अब नहीं करना. इस सेशन के बाद नहीं करना ये.
The job role which I am right now, and I want to switch so I can role or character that person so that
Okay.
I can write a
Okay. Anybody else? तुम्हें पता है तुम्हारे उस रोल वाले पर्सन से पहले HR देखता है तुम्हारी प्रोफाइल. तुम्हारी ईमेल सबसे पहले HR देखता है. Ask Shika, yeah. She's the first one looking at the profile, right? Even before the manager. So you have to give that role. Next time you say act like Shika, okay? Be the HR. Be the HR head. And now judge my resume and tell me, would you be willing to put it across to your design team or dev team? Yes.
If I'm able to understand the question right, so according to the profile that I want to fit myself in or I want to apply for, I would look at what similar employees, what similar things they are looking at employees in that position, and those keywords I will try to see whether I'm able to fit those or
Yes. So let's say, yes. So let's say the first round is an HR round, right? Now you have done your research. I am assuming research करके company में apply कर रहे हो, ऐसे ही नहीं कर रहे हो. So you know first round is HR. So you'll say you are an HR, look at this and give me feedback. Let's say the next you are going for a interview round with a domain expert. So you will say act like this domain expert and now tell me how do I solve, or give me scenarios. I will answer and then you judge me and tell me what I can improve. Right? So this, you can even put JD into it and say, yeah, based on this JD, now you're an expert judging this person based on this JD. Now tell me what are the skills that are missing in me, how can I get better, give me questions, I'll answer. Literally, there is so much you can use if you use AI properly, if you prompt properly. Next is action. Can somebody tell me what is action? Task. We have already covered that, but yeah, quickly. Kind of, yes. Not in those exact words, but okay. I'll give it to you.
Suppose I have to fill feedback for my team. I'll tell AI that act as a manager, write the annual review for my team member who has performed at a mediocre level. What would be the feedback?
Wow, yeah.
And it has to be in, a subtle form.
You're an HR, right?
Yes.
Mediocre level to समझ गई मैं. Okay. She's like, everyone is so mediocre in my team. I need to hire more people. My God. Yes.
So the action would be to ask for a specific output. You would define the number of words. You would define first person, third person, second person, or you would define whether it's got to be an annual report. So in that language, CEO language, or whether it's going out to employees. So it should be general, casual language.
Okay.
All those would constitute the action.
Okay, I'll cover that. We will pause it on the side. ठीक है, जो आपने last में part बोला, we will come to that. That's not exactly task. Task is करना क्या है? Simple as that. That's exactly what the action is. What is it that you have to do? Right? You have to write a code. You have to write an email, like she said. You have to make a design. What is a task? And it can be very different task. तुम्हें UT करना है, तुम्हें research करना है. Very different task. So what is the task? Right? Next thing is situation. Context. We have been talking about context. What is context, yaar? Yeah. ऐसे बोलो, I can hear you.
So context here becomes some boundaries or ground rules. For example, I gave a recent prompt last month to ChatGPT, and I asked him recommendations for a coffee brand. Okay. And the situation and the context that I provided was to give me the names which are minimalist, chic, because I want to tap into a Gen Z market and I want to open it into a so and so location. The price point should be something in the middle, not too cheap. Cheaper than Starbucks, something like that. All the ground rules or all the limitations, context that I want to.
Exactly. The additional situation. Ki, okay, you have to write a code, but for what? What language do you have to use, right? If I go and say to a developer, develop a page, what will they ask me? Kaun sa page? Kaisa page? What language should I use? Where will it be posted? Mobile, desktop? Who is the user? What colors do I put? Right? All that is context. So if you ask your mom make lunch, she'll be like, what lunch, right? Which food? So all the extra context, the extra scenario that you add, that's the context, and that's actually very important for it to understand. जो हमने बात की थी ना, is it a giraffe or is it a pizza? It all again comes from context. You gave it the task, right? But you have to also give the context for it to understand किस context, किस reference में, किस scenario में. That's important. Last is hits. Hits is okay, I've taken a funny note on hits. जैसे cricket में होता है ना, because we started with Virat Kohli, right? So all the sixers and the fours. So this is all about looks. This is all about tone. This is all about what you're exactly doing. So what you mentioned ना कि tone क्या होना चाहिए, कैसे बोलना है, कैसे लिखना है, कितना word limit का होना, that all comes under hits. So it's a very simple. I've tried to literally narrow it down into 4 alphabet thing. Cash. Now I hope you all will remember it. So I'll give few examples for people who have never use these 4 aspects. So character is all about who should AI be. Action is all about what is the exact thing you have to do. Situation is all about background, context, scenario. Hits is all about what should the result look like. Should it be a sixer? Should it be a no ball? Should it be a bouncer or spinner or any of that, right? What should be the result like? Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Okay. So you can see an example. Okay, I can go and write a workout plan for me, or I can say you are an elite strength coach who specializes in injury prevention, because maybe I am someone who gets injured a lot in my ankle, right? Can you see that? Did you people see that example? Without it and with it. And by the way, situation or hits में nothing इसलिए लिखा हुआ because most people don't even use it. That's why nothing. Let's look at one more example. Yes. So it's the same as if I'm asking an intern to do it and if I'm asking an expert to do it. An intern who does not have a very clear set of skills versus a person who is super specialized in that. How they work, do the same thing will be different, right? Same thing.
So it gets activated on its own when we say that you are this person.
Yes, because you are giving it the context, what it has to do. I told you, the branches, the kind of emails it can write, the kind of content it can write, it can do anything. It has so many branches. So you are narrowing down the branches and saying, you will do this task, but as the knowledge of this person. I even go ahead and say, you are the author of this book. Let's say I have a very good book on copywriting. I'll be like, you are Jim Edwards of Copywriting Secrets and you are writing this landing page. So it will even pick that author's way of writing, knowledge it has put in the book. A book padne ki zarurat nahi hai. So
that's an amazing insight. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So here are again few examples of each of them, right? Character is you're a product manager at a fintech company with 5 years of experience. So I'm not just writing you're a product manager. I'm saying fintech, because the next thing I want it to do is something related to fintech, maybe design a fintech dashboard, right? And 5 years of experience, you have been doing it, so you understand the nuances. So it's not just saying this, it's giving all of this. Same way in action, it's actually saying short professional email to decline a vendor meeting. Exactly, I'm not just writing email to decline. I'm not just writing email to vendor. I'm giving it that very specific context, right? Similarly, situation, I don't know if people at the back can read this, but yeah, situation is the vendor wants budget. I do not have it this quarter, we can work together later. So I've given this additional context with the action. Now the output it will create will be much better, right? And tone and format, jo hits hai, ki is it a chokka ya chakka, right? It has to be under 3 sentences because I'm maybe sending it on WhatsApp. Maybe the person doesn't have time to read. It should be warm but firm. It should have no jargon. It should have no bullet points, so it's very conversational. I mean, it can also write bullet points, right? You're saying 3 sentences. Can be bullet points. It can be in a very Gen Z language, but you want it to be professional. So you will write all these things, right? ठीक है. Let's look at one comprehensive example of this. ठीक है, ये पूरा एक comprehensive example है using all 4. You're a senior corporate communications expert. Rewrite this message to some. Okay, most of you pick a message, है ना, rough में लिखते हो, and then you ask AI to rewrite it. Rewrite it. Fix the grammar, rewrite and send me. Then you pick the output and you paste it. How many of you have done that? How many? Really, honestly, how many of you have done that? I will repeat. You wrote something rough में या फिर voice पे बोला बड़ ठीक है, and then you go like इसको fix कर दो, fix the grammar, you copy and you send it. How many of you do it? Honestly, yes, you do it, right? Now here is an alternative way of doing it. You are a senior corporate communication expert. Rewrite this message to sound professional. ठीक है, I need to tell my manager that I am overwhelmed with the deadlines being unrealistic, but I cannot say it directly. So don't say it directly. ठीक है, under 80 words, calm. I am panicking, but you sound calm when you're sending this. Solution focused tone. ये नहीं I am ranting. पता लगे tomorrow they're like okay bye bye. Solution focused. No passive aggression. ये भी लिखा है because I am sending you the input that will probably have aggression, passive aggression. Remove that. Now the output that you will get from the message versus saying rewrite this message, and the next day your boss would be probably angry at you. Now would it change? Your boss will probably be like, okay, I understand. Makes sense. Yes. I see a lot of people are laughing ऐसे मुंह छुपा के. ठीक है. Yes. Okay. Perfect. So now that you have understood this, now we will move into building exercise. What I want you all to do is, I told everyone ki keep your LinkedIn profiles updated. How many of you have an updated LinkedIn profile or at least one that you're decently satisfied with? Okay, how many of you have a LinkedIn profile? How many of you, let's start from नीचे से ऊपर. How many of you have opened LinkedIn once? LinkedIn देखा है, नाम सुना है LinkedIn का? हाँ तो हाथ उठा दो, मुझे कैसे दिखेगा? Okay. How many of you have LinkedIn profiles right now? ठीक है, perfect, thank God. Oh, I was like, where students आ गए हैं क्या सारे? Okay, now I feel the audience is right. Okay, how many of you have LinkedIn in your phone right now? Perfect, love you all. ठीक है, now you all open your LinkedIn profile right now. ठीक है, go there. अभी तक update नहीं किया तो today you will regret and probably after the session you will update क्योंकि शिखा को तो भेजना ही है वैसे भी profile, right? ठीक है, तो yes. So you all go to your LinkedIn profile. ठीक है, browser में खोलने का try कर लो. Okay, right. We don't have the option of saving the PDF, so we want an option to save PDF. Try opening your LinkedIn account in your browser. Just log in with Google or whatever password if you remember. I never remember my password, so I do log in with Google. Open your LinkedIn profile in browser. There is a reason I am saying browser. I am being specific about it, right? So I am giving you context. Open it in a browser because we will try to do a quick hack using your LinkedIn profile. We will download a PDF that looks like a resume. Okay? Yeah, great. You have it handy right now? So do it. We'll do an activity right now with it. Right now, we will make a very quick website of everyone here. Okay, so do this activity with me. Open your LinkedIn profile in your browser. Go to your profile section. Do you see resources written over there? Click on resources and to download PDF. Open your profile. Write down your profile. Can you check on phone? Can you check it once? Can you open LinkedIn on your browser? Show me what it's saying. Okay. Try incognito na yaar. Acha, okay, right. Is there any other way we can get their PDF? If you're taking this, हाँ Wi-Fi is connected, yes. इसको नेट आपको फिर लेके जाना. हाँ wait, I'm showing that. 1 second. Yes, so एक बार full screen करना. Go to profile section once. Yes. So I'm talking about this profile page. You go to resources and you will be able to save in PDF. This is the PDF that we want. Phone पे नहीं आ रहा?
साइड में 3 डॉट्स वैसे होता है ऊपर डेस्कटॉप मोड.
क्या वो कैसे करेंगे सब complicated. Do you all know how to convert your phone into desktop mode with the 3 dots? Perfect. Yes, you're my girl. Yes. So, can you also help me understand how to do it? Because I use laptop for everything. Okay, you are seeing 3 dots on top right. Where are you seeing those 3 dots? Top right. Okay. Can anybody just like get up and tell everyone what to do? 3 dots दिख रहे हैं top right पे आप सबको. उस पे click करो. Desktop. Yeah. Yes. 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 What she said. I am a very laptop person, right? Yes. Did you all find it? If anybody has not found it, एक बार हाथ raise कर लो. We'll try to help you. Okay. Can you tell again? ऐसे एक बार बोलो करना क्या है? हाँ. वो browser जिनके फोन में ऐप है ना, उनका ब्राउजर नहीं खुल रहा. Okay, the hack is delete your app and then open in browser. If nothing works, you do that.
Otherwise, you can share your PDF. You can share your PDF.
Okay. I want them to make their own. ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. तो okay, we'll take 1 more minute and then we will start with respect to time. ठीक है? So lucky are those people who don't have an app in their phone. They can just go on the browser, log in. Yes. Okay. हो गया है सबका? Can we start? यार मैं तो वाईफाई नहीं चलाती यहाँ पे. I don't know. Sorry. हॉटस्पॉट यूज कर लो. मैं भी वही यूज कर रही हूँ. देखो ऊपर हॉटस्पॉट यूज हो रहा है मेरा भी. नेटवर्क इशू. वेरी नाइस. लवली. अमेजिंग. चलो ठीक है. Even if you have a resume in your phone, use that. It's fine. मुझे बस एक PDF चाहिए जिसमें आपका एक्सपीरियंस लिखा हो, आपका नाम लिखा हो, आपकी डेजिग्नेशन लिखी हो. That is also fine. अगर ईमेल पे रिज्यूमे किसी को भेजा था तो ईमेल खोल के वहां से रिज्यूमे डाउनलोड कर लो. हैक. Just do that. Okay? Just do that. I just need a PDF with your set of experiences. Okay? Done? Done everybody? Ready? Let's go ahead. Yes or no? Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. ठीक है. लैपटॉप पे अगर अभी किसी का नहीं होता है, घर जाके you can do it on laptop. Hello, chatty people. Oh my God. हाँ, right. ठीक है. For anybody यार, this is not working right now. It's okay. You see the process. Go home and give it a shot on your laptop or phone with a better Wi-Fi. It's okay. It's okay. ठीक है. सुन लो करना क्या है. ऐसे तो हम LinkedIn में खेलते रहेंगे. ठीक है.
So if you are not able to download your LinkedIn profile, you can just take a PDF of your resume and use it. That can also be done, right? Or you could take a full screenshot of your LinkedIn profile page. That can be useful.
Yeah, works. See, we have given you 3 hacks. इसके बाद भी if it doesn't work, you go home and do your home assignment. ठीक है? Okay, perfect. ठीक है. So I'm assuming everyone has something, either a resume or a screenshot or a PDF from here. Yes? Can I see a show of hands quickly? Oh, perfect. Awesome. चलो. Then let's get to it. 1 second. एक तो extended display में. 1 second. It's moving in my laptop, but this one. Oh yeah, I'm here now. Oh yes. Okay. Cool, guys. Now the activity. First, you hear me out. Then you scan codes. I know you have a tendency of looking at a QR code and taking out your phone. Wait. Let me tell you करना क्या है. Scan करने लग जाते हो. QR code दिखाने शुरू हो जाते हो. Wait. Okay. So first is you all take your flashcards. I'll tell you the activity. You will all try to write your own prompt based on what we have just learned. Next is you will open Gemini on your phone. It will be easy to open. Free भी है तो use कर सकते हो, ठीक है? And then we will run the prompt that you have written on Gemini. ठीक है? You can take a photo, ask AI to upload it, ठीक है? Or you can type, or you can do voice thing, whatever you prefer. And then in the last, we will all see your quick websites. Are you all excited? Yes. Are you all excited? Yes. Good job. Okay, awesome. So this is the prompt that I have written, ठीक है, in detail. You can refer this. Again, I'm so nice. I help you cheat, ठीक है. So you can use this because we are making your portfolio websites. So we are giving a prompt of expert portfolio architect and creative director. So it uses visuals थोड़ा सा better, ठीक है. We are saying build a stunning interactive single page React portfolio based on LinkedIn PDF. I'm assuming most of you have LinkedIn, ठीक है. You can change it also, by the way. Use this image attached on the right side of the hero section and start with hi I am. यहाँ पे अपना नाम डाल देना please, नहीं तो आपकी वेबसाइट पे आएगा hi I am name, ठीक है, please, ठीक है. Then visual style. So there are few options that you can pick from. Which style do you want to go with? Don't like cheat properly if you have to. Minimalistic, bold, colorful, corporate. किस स्टाइल में आपको अपना चाहिए पोर्टफोलियो, ठीक है. Next is target audience. We spoke about context, right? Yes. So tech recruiters है, freelance clients है, creative directors है. Something else also you can write. Product manager, senior product manager, senior dev, anything you can write. Okay. Tone कौन सी चाहिए आपको based on your personality. Pick it based on your personality. Then it says section. What all sections will be there? You can add or remove sections, but I would suggest same रखो तो better रहेगा ताकि ज़्यादा confusion नहीं होगा. Mobile responsive because you are all using on mobile. That's why. Theme, you can go with dark or light theme with accent colors of purple, blue, whatever color you prefer. Please use purple, blue or some decent colors. Don't ask red or ऐसा कुछ करके, ठीक है. And last is attachments. तो you will be attaching your file. PDF attach नहीं करोगे तो कैसे पता लगेगा, ठीक है. Now you can scan this. All these instructions are also mentioned here, and you can directly copy paste. Or if you are feeling very handsy, you can first write on your flashcard and then click a picture and directly upload. Both options are there. If you want to keep this as a souvenir, the flashcard as a souvenir, you can do that as well. Yes. So just quickly open the session guide. I'll also open it. Sorry. Okay. For people behind, I'll just zoom in the QR. Yeah. Now is everyone able to scan the QR? Even? Yeah.
So,
Sorry, that's all optional. You can skip it also, you can fill and do it also. It's optional. Yes. Sorry.
So, two questions actually. What if the profile has already been created by Gemini? And also, if we already have Gemini and we give this profile again, so will it not, what do you say, not be that truthful? Or we have to be in incognito mode and open separately the Gemini, and as you said, no, we should open separately and not use the downloaded one, previously downloaded one.
Previously downloaded one? आपका previously downloaded one क्या exactly what you are referring to?
Gemini previously अगर हमारे
That's
पास
okay.
है.
So you said पहले मैंने कुछ create किया, right? अब if you just go and say website बना दो, तो it will use your previous context.
Yes.
But यहाँ पर you are saying it specifically refer this. In your case, if it's very different profile, say don't refer the previous created output, refer the PDF only and take information from the PDF.
नहीं वो
So you're
PDF
giving it
भी अगर
context.
Gemini का ही बनाया हुआ है तो will it?
हाँ, that's not a problem. That's try करके देखो.
Okay.
If something will break, then we will fix it.
Yeah.
It's an experiment, right? You're doing, so it can go either way. Try and see how it will go.
Right. ठीक है.
Yes, everybody. पहले बताओ, has everyone been able to scan this and get the Notion doc? Are you able to see the steps? Are you able to see the prompt? If you want to not use the prompt, you have a flashcard, you can write your own prompt, because I'm assuming you also understand now how to write a prompt. So you can use your flashcard now, or when you go home, you can use it again for a different activity as well. Okay? Yeah. Everybody good here? ठीक है. Now what is the next step? Can anybody tell me? What's the next step after scanning this? मैंने बताया था. Okay, copy the prompt, yes. But what after copying the prompt? Okay. Yes, thank you. Paste कहाँ पे करोगे prompt यार? Copy तो कर लोगे. Where will you paste it? Yeah, so open Gemini. If you have never used it, just sign up quickly. This will be your first time building something. That's great with Google. Google will be very happy. Yes, I'm just zooming in on the steps. So you can use flashcard or you can do it digitally. That's totally up to you. Flashcard is in case you have a low network, it's not working, use this old school method. Okay? And guys, let's do it quickly, then we'll wrap it up. Okay, let me see. Where is my browser? ठीक है. So okay, you open Gemini. One important thing I want everyone to take care of. ठीक है. वैसे we have already mentioned this in the guide, but when you use it, अरे one second. Here you have to click on Canvas. Okay, in the tools section, you have to click on Canvas. Because every specific model is good at very particular things, right? Here we want to use the Canvas method because we are going for the landing page, right? So you click on Canvas here, and thinking में you have to then go ahead and click Pro, because Pro थोड़ी बहुत coding background में समझता है. We don't have to use any of these. Canvas and Pro, that's what you have to click for like good results. बाकी you can experiment, but best इसी से आएगा. Can anybody tell me why Nano Banana is not the best thing to use this, create this landing page? Yes. Yes, you know the answer. Okay. Why not use a research model? Why not use the research model? Okay, and why not use the create music model? So you get the point, right? हम जो काम करें उसके हिसाब से we'll pick it. So here we will pick Canvas. Because it's not an image, it's not one thing in particular, we are creating a website, right? Okay, how many of you have opened Gemini? Just show me a raise of hand so I know what's happening. Perfect. How many of you have selected Canvas and Pro? Very good. How many of you have pasted as it is abhi ke liye? Paste कर दिया है? Have you pasted the prompt? Why are you doing this? Yes. I am thinking she's saying no. Okay. ठीक है. Yes. Code आ गया? Wait. Are you getting something, sort of an output? Acha, one more thing I want to ask. How many of you are using Airtel versus Jio? And I'll tell why I'm asking this question. How many people are using Jio? Very good. Lovely. So, for Jio people, yes. For Jio people, थोड़ा सा issue आएगा in sharing the website, because recently Superbase got banned and some API also got banned on Google side. So sharing में issue आएगा. You can take hotspot from an Airtel person in order to share it. It will work. Okay. She already did. She probably already knew. And how many are you using Airtel SIM? Jio के अलावा कुछ भी use कर रहे हो तो बता दो. Okay. For you people, you will be able to share the link as well. Like you will be able to share it. ठीक है. So I'll show what I've created just now. Yeah. थोड़ा blurry दिख रहा है मुझे. See, this is what it, something like this it will create, right? This is mine. I've used my resume. Nothing I've downloaded from LinkedIn. Put the PDF. It's put all my experience here, right? एंड सी डाउनलोड फुल CV. इसमें जो मैंने अपलोड किया डायरेक्टली वो CV अटैच हो गया, राइट? एंड सी all these are working as well. And okay, for people with Airtel SIM or using someone else's Airtel hotspot, you click on share, ठीक है? You get the link, you can literally share this link
Permanent on छोड़ दो.
and your website anyone can see. How cool is that? ठीक है? Did we write one line of code? Yes, obviously. अब इतना फ्री में जुगाड़ में 2 मिनट में तो तुम्हें ऐसे मिलेगा, right? If they're giving you everything with hosting it and everything, then तो भाई they'll go bankrupt. There are different ways of doing it as well. So you can go buy a paid tool like Cloud Code. You can code it. You can then use Vercel to host it. That's also a way of doing it, right? But then obviously that will charge, and it will not be 2 minutes का job. Done. अरे जिसका होगा एक बार screen ऐसे करके दिखाओ. I want to click a picture. Yes. Where's my phone? हाँ, we are wrapping up. We are done with the session. Oh yeah, thank you. Everybody who is done, just quickly ऐसे. Wow, yeah, very nice. हाँ, we'll get the photo. We are giving you 2 minutes. Quickly make it, okay? We'll click a picture of everyone who is done, and we'll probably post it. Wow, very nice, very nice. Everyone has made in purple. कोई तो color change कर लेते. Your font is very different. Nice, blue. Nice, something different. Everyone has used purple only. Nice, nice. I see something different. Nice, very nice. How are you all feeling? Made your own website. It's good. Nice. नाम भी मेरा आ गया था क्योंकि तुमने मेरा नाम लिखा होगा, और अगर लिखा होगा हेलो माय नेम इज नेम तो नेम ही आया होगा. थोड़ा सा वो यूज करना पड़ेगा माइंड. ठीक है, किस किस का हो गया एक बार फोन घुमा के एवरीवन शो बिकॉज़ वी आर क्लिकिंग अ पिक्चर. एवरीवन शो इट. यस, show me what stage you are at. Everyone show me what stage you are at so I can get a sense check. Okay. क्या नेटवर्क नहीं चल रहा है क्या? वाह, मुझे ऐसे दिखा रहा है 404 एरर. Very nice, perfect. Okay, great. How does it feel to build with AI? Tell me, quickly tell me. What? Empowering, amazing. Yes, people who are able to see their websites, कैसा लग रहा है? Quickly tell me, quickly. You like? I love that expression. Okay, ठीक है, perfect. इसी same Notion, guys and girls, in the same Notion document, there is one more assignment for you that you can go home and do. It's a tone changer. Can someone tell me what it does? If you have read through, yeah, we have put it in the same Notion doc. In the same Notion doc, we have put an assignment you can go home and do and post on LinkedIn, tag REA group, tag me, tag everyone and say I have made something on my own, right? Because they are taking these initiatives, right? So yeah, tone changer. What is a tone changer? So yes. So अभी मैं बोल रही थी ना, non-aggressive way, be nice. So you can literally say, this is a you problem, and it will change the tone and it will say, hey, seems like this falls under your domain expertise, blah, blah, blah. It will change the tone and then you can send that. So you all go home and try that tone changer and upload it. I will love to see it. Okay? Same process you have to use. Prompt बनाना है, डालना है, Gemini से बन जाएगा, ठीक है? Please use your personal accounts, not professional accounts. Because maybe for a lot of you, it's actually Google Workspace account. It will not work because it's giving you something for free and it knows you can pay. So why will it give you for free? So try using your personal emails, okay? So it'll work better. Professional में हो सकता है बहुत सारी limitations आ जाए. So it's much better to use. ठीक है, perfect. Coming back to our session, we have almost done. How many of you were able to do this? Give me a loud yes. Loud yes. Website बन गई है. नहीं. Louder yes. We made our first website. Yes or no? Yes. ये no वाले में कुछ नहीं कर सकती. Wi-Fi नहीं चल रहा, hotspot नहीं है, Jio का SIM लिया हुआ है. Sorry, can't help. Okay, ठीक है. Now, do you want to know this? One thing that can 10x your output everywhere, any task you do on AI, any prompt you give. जानना है कि नहीं? Okay, I'll just go. Guys, we are done with the session. I'll just wrap up. ठीक है? You don't want to know, na? ठीक है. Do you all want to know this? I want. Okay. So one quick hack that I always use is before AI generates anything, at the end of your prompt, write this. What questions do you have for me before you begin? Why does this work? Can anybody tell me? I gave the answer in the beginning of the session. Yes. So itni branches mein se, it will ask which direction should I take if it's feeling confused. You will give the answer and it will move to that branch. Right? So you are removing hallucination by asking this question. And trust me, this works every single time. Every single time. Okay? And these are some quick FAQs that few I saw on the group, few I've seen people ask every time, so I've just written them down. If these help, right? You can just take a picture. We'll probably skim through it. Okay? How do I get better at it? Is AI going to take my job? What if I get a bad result? Do I need to know how to code? Which AI tool should I use? Everything is answered here. ठीक है? चले? आगे चले? We are done with the session almost. ठीक है? This is for all of you to take from this session. The best way to learn AI is not reading news about it. It's actually building with it. यहाँ पर you people have literally done it in 10 minutes. Can you not spend some more time and figure out what the hell is going out in the world? What the hype is all about? So let's have a big round of applause for all of you because you all built with AI today. You built something. You built a website. That's amazing. Right? You showed up, you built something, you asked questions. That's great. And yeah, thank you for your energy. That's me. And yeah, that's my LinkedIn profile. Great job, guys. Big round of applause for everyone. Yes.